So what does an effective risk assessment look like? Let's start at the beginning. What is risk assessment? Well, it is the identification and evaluation of several aspects of an entity whereby risks are identified and evaluated for use in guiding the audit procedures that will be necessary in order to substantiate the amounts reported in the financial statements. And what is the purpose of risk assessment? Well, risk assessment procedures are performed to obtain an understanding of the entity and its environment, including its internal control, to identify and assess the risks of material misstatement, whether due to fraud or error, at the financial statement or relevant assertion levels, all of which assist in designing further audit procedures. Risk assessment procedures are performed to determine the likelihood and magnitude estimate of risk. This determination is the auditor's key to setting up an effective and efficient audit plan, which will ensure maximum impact within the audit. The international auditing standard that has risk assessment related requirements is ISA 315, identifying and assessing the risks of material misstatement. This standard has been fully revised in September 2019, with the UK, Australia, and US equivalents following shortly after. Whilst the international standard and the UK and Australian versions are effective for December 22 year-end onwards, the US standard, whilst permitting early adoption, is effective for December 2023 year-end onwards. While several amendments have been made to the original versions of the international standards, the underlying revisions intend to promote consistency in the application of the risk identification and assessment process, create a scalable standard based on revised principle-based requirements, make the standard usable by auditors through a reduction in complexity applicable to all entities, stimulate a more robust risk assessment with more focused responses to the identified risk, and provide support for auditors using the standard via the application material, which is designed to address the evolving environment, including information technology.